Hi, I'm Brian Horner, and we're back with another video in our touchscreen distributor series. This one is just an informational video to show you how to get to the information that we may ask you or you may want to know about your distributor, what options it has on it, things like that. So when we power everything up, we come back to our normal home screen, just like on any other function that we want to do. Well, then we want to go to our little gear again, and we hit the gear. We get all these icons. Let's go to the information page. So what's that tell us? So the information page will tell us what the serial number of this truck is, S9771 in this case. It has a 12-foot spray bar. It has a Rexroth motor on it, which is a pulses. When you go into your setup, you want to verify that our pulses are set correctly at 48. It'll actually tell us our pump meter. So anytime the asphalt pump is running, we're going to start counting hours, not the truck, just when the asphalt pump is running is when it counts. So if it sees a gallon per minute reading on the asphalt pump, it's gonna start counting hours on the pump. Just a way for us to meter how many hours are on a pump, maybe for general maintenance, maybe just for curiosity's sake of how many hours did we use a pump in a year, vice versa. It will also say what tank oval size, okay? That will matter if you ever need to order a measuring stick or anything like that. We'll ask you for this information. And then it's a 2,000 gallon tank in this case, and the burners have 2 flues on them, okay? That's just the general information of how this truck is set up. Now the additional options that would be paid options show up here. So these are different options. As we turn them on or add the physical components to them, we would go into the computer and make different things light up. Now there is a table in our operation manual back on page 99 that will tell you what all of these little icons mean. So like TS stands for taper switch. That means this truck is equipped with bar taper switches to turn 1 foot increments on and off your bar. It's included with the WP, which is wash pump. So this has a power wash down installed on it. And then NRI is nozzle range indicator. That means when you turn this spray bar on, it's going to give you a series of lights in either yellow, green, or red that you can drive in to make sure you're within the spray range of that nozzle. So this just shows us what paid options are on this truck. So you can't get into that, you can't change it, you can't delete them, you can't do anything. They have to be turned on in the factory setting. So this is just a quick video to show you the general information on the truck. Once again, from our home screen, we hit the gear, we hit information, and it brings up everything that we'll need to know about this truck if you ever call for service or ordering parts and they ask you any of these questions. So that's just a quick overview of the features that are on this truck.